Hey everyone, I looked real close this time, and this one is from One-Legged Witchy Woman. It came today. I don't know why I looked at the one from Chadwick Rose and saw Laura. I don't know, it just happened. But anyway, Laura's did come today. So let's open it and see what I ordered at her live sale on YouTube. Why do people use so much tape? Why? I'm going to make a list of everybody's packages I'm going to use a roll of tape on. I know one thing. I remember one thing I ordered from her. Okay. I got the package off so I can don't have to worry about her address showing now. Stuck. Okay, I ordered these for me and the boys to use with painting, and one of my dots fell off. Oh no. I'll glue it back on, I guess. But they love these little things, and they have a ball with them. And then I got some little tiny cards here. Oh, these are the vintage labels that I'm going to put in the Christmas journal. Aren't they cute? So cute. So I have to put these in the box with the Christmas stuff. Oh, that's cute. I did order some napkins because I'm going to start working back on my napkin journal again. Oh yeah, the little tiny black doilies. I got these from my Dark Shadows book. Aren't they cute? They're teeny tiny. Excellent work. And then I got some cream color ones. And then I got this. I do believe this is vintage advertisements. And some vintage photos that I will probably turn into like stickers and journaling cards and so forth. So this is the International Studio John Lane Company, and it's from 1921. That's why I bought it. It was the year my mother was born. So now I know what's in this one, and I hope they didn't break. Looky here, I got, I don't know, some little tiny porcelain roses, 2 sets of those in 2 different colors, one for me and one for a Happy Meal. And then I got a couple sets of these, I think. I bought a lot of these. Little glass hearts for your Christmas tree. Aren't they beautiful? Wow, intricate pattern. And Laura, they arrived unbroken. You did a great job of packing. So I think that's all it was hearts. I'm almost sure it was only hearts, but I'm going to double check. Check a couple of them anyway. Yeah, that's also a heart. So let me check the other side just to make sure it's all hearts. I think it is, but you know, when you go to so many sales on YouTube, you tend to forget what you buy. Oh, I do. I have to start writing it down again. Yeah, it's all hearts. I love these. They're going to be so beautiful on it. I have a white tray with white lights. These are going to be beautiful on it. Up high, of course, so it won't end up on being moved from my tree to the boys' little artificial tree they decorate. So this is everything I bought at One-Legged Witchy Woman's sale, and she was selling on Erin and the Adirondacks channel, who does a multi-vendor sale. So I'm going to put these in the hall closet with my other Christmas stuff so they don't get broken, and just set them up on the shelf until time to decorate. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.